Question number 1. Which condition places a patient with cardiac illness at increased risk of sudden death? Option A, depression. Option B, anxiety. Option C, bulimia. And option D, chest pain. The right answer is option A, depression. Due to depression may be increase the chance of sudden death in the condition of cardiac illness. Question number 2. Nurse working in an ICU must be aware to be ratio of chest compression for ventilation in CPR. Procedure is option A 12:1, option B 12:2, option C 15:1, option D 15:2. The right answer is option D. The right answer is option D, 15:2. 15 compression with 2 ventilation. Question number 3. How long should a nurse wait after taking cold milk for recording oral temperature? पेशेंट है, उन्हें कोल्ड मिल्क लिया है और आपको ओरल टेम्परेचर चेक करना है. सो हाउ मैनी टाइम नर्स वेट? ऑप्शन ए 5 to 10 minutes, ऑप्शन बी 10 to 20 minutes, ऑप्शन सी 20 to 30 minutes, ऑप्शन डी 30 to 40 minutes. The right answer is option B, 10 to 20 minutes. आपको 10 से 20 मिनट तक वेट करना है, देन चेक ओरल टेम्परेचर. क्वेश्चन नंबर 4. मैटरनल डेथ रेट इज एक्सप्रेस डेथ रेट पर. ऑप्शन ए 1000 लाइव बर्थ, ऑप्शन बी 1000 प्रेगनेंसी, ऑप्शन सी 10,000 लाइव बर्थ, ऑप्शन डी 10,000 प्रेगनेंसी. द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, 10,000 लाइव बर्थ. द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Which type of solution cause water to shift from cell to plasma? Option A alkaline, option B isotonic, option C hypotonic, option D hypertonic. The right answer is option D, hypertonic. The hypertonic is right answer, hypertonic. Question number 6. Bleeding time is prolonged in all the following except. Option A viper bite, option B idiopathic thrombocytopenia, option C hemophilia A, option D von Willebrand disease. The right answer is option C, hemophilia A. Next question. How much oxygen a nurse should give to a patient with chronic respiratory failure? Option A 1 liter per minute with nasal prongs, option B 2 liter per minute with nasal mask, option C 10 liter per minute with nasal mask, option D 10 liter per minute with nasal prongs. The right answer is option B 2 liter per minute with nasal mask. The right answer is option B. Question number 8. All the factors add in venous return to the heart except. Option A negative intrathoracic pressure. Option B one-way valve in the veins. Option C left ventricular contraction. Option D squeezing action of major muscles. The right answer is option C. The right answer is option C, left ventricle contraction. Option A, option B and option D are the factor who increase the venous return, but the left ventricular contraction are the decrease the venous return. The left ventricular contraction the blood out of left ventricle to aorta. So the option C is the right answer, left ventricular contraction. Question number 9. All the following enzymes are secreted by the gastrointestinal system except. Option A ptyalin. Option B pepsin. Option C chymotrypsin. Option D angiotensin. The right answer is option D, angiotensin. Ptyalin, pepsin and chymotrypsin enzyme are secreted by the GIT tract, but the angiotensin are not secreted by the GIT. So the right answer is option D. Question number 10. While recording intake output, nurse has to consider insensible water loss from human body, and the normal is option A 200 ml, option B 400 ml, option C 800 ml and option D 1000 ml. The right answer is option C 800 ml. 800 ml are the insensible water loss from the normal human body. Question number 11. A nurse is caring for several mother-baby couplets. In planning the care of each of the couples, which mother would the nurse expect to have most severe after birth pains? Option A G4 P1 patient who is breastfeeding. Option B Gravida 3 P3 patient who is breastfeeding her infant. Option C G3 P3 cesarean patient who is bottle feeding her infant. Option D G3 P3 patient who is bottle feeding her infant. The right answer is option B G3 P3 in patient who is breastfeed her infant. The right answer is option B. Question number 12. Assuming the menstrual cycle length has 32 days and LMP as June 10th, which of the following is most due date? The right answer is option C. The right answer is option C 21 मार्च. कैसे कैलकुलेट किया? LMPA 10 जून प्लस 9 मंथ मीन्स 10th मार्च प्लस 7 डे 70 मार्च, और इसके अंदर जो मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल है वो 32 डे का है, और नॉर्मली जो मेंस्ट्रुअल साइकिल होता है वो 28 डेज का होता है, यानी कि प्लस 4 डे 17 प्लस 4 यानी कि 21 मार्च. सो द राइट आंसर इज 21 मार्च. Question number 13. 30-year-old female complained of wetting her dress while coughing. Which one of the following condition a nurse should suspect? Option A, cystocele. Option B, rectocele. Option C, enterocele. Option D, urethrocoele. The right answer is option A. The right answer is option A, cystocele. Question number 14. Which one of the following is not a described type of female bony pelvis? Option A, android. Option B, gynecoid. Option C, obsteroid. Option D, anthropoid. The right answer is option C, obsteroid. Obsteroid is not a type of female bony pelvis. मोस्ट कॉमन गायनेकोइड होता है फीमेल के अंदर, मेल के अंदर एंड्रॉइड होता है, और जो रेयरली होता है वो होता है एंथ्रोपोइड. बट द ऑब्स्ट्रॉइड टाइप ऑफ पेल्विस आर नॉट प्रेजेंट इन फीमेल बोनी पेल्विस. सो द राइट आंसर इज ऑप्शन सी, ऑब्स्ट्रॉइड. क्वेश्चन नंबर 15. बेनिफिट्स ऑफ ब्रेस्ट फीडिंग इंक्लूड ऑल एक्सेप्ट. ऑप्शन ए, इट प्रोवाइड न्यूट्रिशन. Option B, colostrum provide a high level of immune protection. Option C, less prone for gastrointestinal infections. Option D, it provide adequate iron for premature newborn. The right answer is option D. It provide adequate iron for the premature newborn. The right answer is option D, because human milk, breastfeeding milk are not contain iron. So the right answer is option D. Question number 16. Which IUCD needs to be replaced only after 10 years? Option A, copper T 2000. Option B, progestasar. Option C, copper 380A. Option D, Nova T. The right answer is option A, copper T 200. Question number 17. Which factor is most closely associated with successful smoking cessation? Option A, enrollment in a short-term support group. Option B, lack of reliance in nicotine gums as a secondary intervention. Option C, preparation of a plan to deal with potential relapses. Option D, reliance on single intervention. The right answer is option A, enrollment in a short-term support group. These techniques are the successful for the cessation of smoking. Question number 18. A newly married healthy couple is asking for the best method of contraception, and which of the following method nurse will advise? Option A, barrier method. Option B, rhythm method. Option C, intrauterine device. And option D, combined oral pills. The right answer is option C, intrauterine device. Option C. Question number 19. All are high risk factor for the endometrial carcinoma except option A, obesity. Option B, multipolarity. multiparity, option C diabetes, and option D exogenous estrogen. The right answer is option D, exogenous androgen. Question number 20. Aspermia is the term used to describe option A absence of semen, option B absence of sperm, option C presence of abnormal sperm, and option D absence of sperm mortality. The right answer is option A, absence of semen is known as the aspermia.